Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is about two basic, easy, simple steps that will help us with hair fall. Hair fall is something that stresses all of us, right? We just start envisioning, will I be bald if my hair falls like this? And we do so much to bring it in control, right? And if you're someone like me, I'm sure you've done several things to work on your hair fall. And everyone recommends so many different things to us. Different products, different treatments, different hair masks, different supplements. And we are so overwhelmed. It gets so much. We don't even know what to start with. We don't even know what is going to help us. And therefore, I decided to do today's video on the two simple basic steps that I do that help me with hair fall. But I would tell you that along with this, please watch my video of the 5 vitamins for the hair, because nutrition for hair is as important as these two basic steps, and they complement each other. That's going to really help with hair fall and hair growth, because I'm always a huge believer that inside out nutrition is really important. So don't forget to watch that video. Now, coming back to today's video, which is the 2 simple basic steps that is going to help with the hair fall. The first step is about washing your hair every single day. I know this is coming as a surprise because there is so much information out there about not washing your hair every day, and it will, disturb or ruin the natural oil which is on our scalp and stuff like that. But there is an exception, and that exception is something that I'm seeing commonly with loads of people. If you live in any kind of humid temperature like I do, or in a polluted city like I do, or if you work out every day like I do, or if you see that your hair is greasy at the end of the day or by next day in the morning because your natural oil kind of seeps into your straight hair, like if you have straight hair like me, if you see all of these things, then guys, your hair scalp and how greasy or dirty it is and how your hair quality is because of that obviously means that you need to keep your hair clean. It is just like our face, right? It's just like the skin. Don't we want to wash our face every day? Why? Because it's oily, it's polluted, it's greasy, it's been out, in all this this environment, and therefore we want to keep it clean. And if we don't keep it clean, what happens? Our pores get clogged. That's exactly what happens with our hair. And what I usually do is I put this amazing oil, which is my second step, this crazy oil that I'm going to share with you, which is so good and so lovely in terms of all the amazing stuff that it has together. I put that and then I keep it on for 2 to 3 hours, and then I wash my hair. But even when I put that oil, I make sure that I've put on a hair which is clean, which is not greasy, which is not oily, and which is not dirty from the pollution or from my workout, right? So that's the reason I have seen that whenever I will prolong for a couple of days of hair wash, I see tons of hair strands, which I don't see if I wash regularly. So this is something I would say, try it. See if it works for you. And if you have any of those things that I have, which is living in a polluted city, or you have humidity in your city, or you work out every single day, or you see that your hair is greasy, then that's a sign. You need to wash your hair every day to keep your scalp clean. It does dictate the quality of your hair, and if your hair is feeling clean and nice and healthy, it's really, really important. Right? So that's my first tip to you. Second basic step to you, which is the oil that I'm talking about, really, really important, is this amazing oil that I have. Right? It's this brand called Teal and Terra. And remember, guys, it's not like I have been paid to promote this or anything. In fact, I tried it for 1.5 months before I could even come and report to you that, hey, you know what? This oil works. Okay, the link I'm going to mention below in the comments so you can see there. But this is the oil which is paraben and sulfate free. It has no artificial color and fragrances, right? So this is a brand called Terra and Teal for body and soul. So This oil has multiple different ingredients, which I'm going to read out to you, which are amazing. Some of these I absolutely love, right? I'm using them, so many of them on my skin as well, but obviously a different brand. The key ingredients are red onion oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, vitamin E, castor oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, hibiscus oil, Indian margosa tree, bhringraj, mango butter, shea butter, sandalwood oil, rose oil. And it's also, the main ingredients are onion oil and castor oil. So really what happens, this is like, again, one more nutrition for the food. Just the way I spoke about the hair vitamins, this is another nutrition for the food. Now, this also needs to be applied on clean scalp, right? Because we want this amazing oil to go right into the pores of our hair scalp and work as nutrition for our oil. So what I do is just 2-3 hours before I'm going to be washing my hair, for example, right now, right? I'm going to be putting this oil, I'm going to go and do my workout, and I'm going to immediately go for a hair wash along with this oil so that I get all the benefits of this oil. And then it's going to really work for my hair. And when I wash my hair, I also use this oil and just like rub a little bit on the ends of my hair so that it helps in the growth of the oil. So this oil has really helped me, along with washing every single day and having the vitamins for the hair, which has helped me with hair fall and hair growth. In fact, I went and got a safe haircut, and I went back, and the guy who cut my hair says, "Oh my God, like it's been no time and your hair's grown so much. What do you do?" Like, it was a massive compliment. And I don't do anything out of the ordinary. I don't condition my hair, or I don't sit and put some multiple face packs or nothing. I've boiled down to my vitamins. I've boiled down to washing every day and using this oil that is really, really helping me, So you can see the link below on the oil and where to buy it from. Trust me, I'm not marketing this because there's no brand association I have with this. I always like to try and test the products, make myself a guinea pig, try it on me, and then share it with all of you guys so that you all genuinely benefit from all the stuff that I'm putting out there. So these are my 2 basic tips which really work, and the only way to know if they work for you is to try them. Look, at the end of the day, we are bio individuals. What worked for me might not work for you, but I do see this as something that is working for several clients of mine. I've seen this as something that makes logical sense to me, and so I hope that it helps you as well. Follow me on my Instagram. Eat, Breathe, Smile is my handle. Subscribe to our newsletters. We send out 2 newsletters every week that are free. So please subscribe to our newsletter on eatbreathesmile.com. And you can always get in touch with me on nipa@eatbreathesmile.com. Leave your comments, guys. We would love to hear from you. And subscribe to our YouTube channel because we come with new videos every single week. Take care. Until next time.